Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Chloe Picks. I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe. If not, welcome back. I'm excited to share this lottery tip with you. This tip involves creating your own lottery book. Now you're probably saying, what is a lottery book? A lottery book is simply a book you make out of a regular notebook that has the past winning lottery results. For this particular example, we'll be focusing on the Pick 3, Pick 4 lottery drawings. And why is it important? Why do we need this lottery book? We need this lottery book to have the numbers at our fingertips at all times. When we're analyzing the past lottery drawings and trying to determine the best numbers to play next, we need these numbers at hand. I already know what you're thinking. Chloe, I'm not getting a notebook, writing these numbers down, wasting my time. They already on the internet. I'll just Google it. Yes, you can just Google it. However, the numbers that you get for the Pick 3, Pick 4 drawing results for the past are not presented in a way in which you can analyze them. And this is what this video is for, to present to you the lottery book that I have in order to analyze numbers and to get a better understanding how these numbers fall. So let's get into it. Okay, now step one, you need to get a notebook. Now, this notebook that I have here is College Ruled 70 Sheets notebook. It's just something I had laying around, and so I decided to use it. And I like this notebook because it has at least 31 lines for 31 days. So that's great with that. And also, I got a bunch of these notebooks. I usually buy them around back to school time because they're really cheap. But you don't have to go out and buy a notebook. That's not what I'm saying. If you have one already at the house, just use what you already have. Okay, for step 2, you need to draw some columns. And the reason why we're having columns, because on one page for an entire month, we're going to have the Pick 3 and the Pick 4. In my particular case, in my state, we have midday and evening. Now, there are some situations, I know there's some states out there that have morning, midday, evening, night, 3 or 4 drawings for the Pick 3, Pick 4. Now, that's a whole different situation. You would need more columns, so we just made the columns a little smaller in that particular case. But because we only have 2 drawings for the day, midday and evening, I didn't have to make the columns as slim. Now for the final step, step 3, you see a more completed lottery book for the August 2022. You see in the left-hand corner there, and then in that column, we have 1 through 31 for the 31 days. Then we have our columns for Pick 3 midday, Pick 3 evening, Pick 4 midday, and Pick 4 evening. Also, far to your right, the day the number fell out, because that's important too. You want to keep track of what numbers are falling on what days. I wanted to share this book with you because I will be using this in future videos, and I wanted you to not be confused as to why I'm using this book and where it came from. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching.